At GotSafety, our lesson library has more than 1,200 safety topics, covering all industries and job sites. We also get client requests for sensitive training subjects from time to time. Here are just a few examples. Being homeless affects more than just the individual person. They could have spouses, children, pets, or other family and friends. While mental health issues are becoming less stigmatized due to greater awareness, many employees may choose to stay silent about their condition. This lesson will cover the safety measures to follow to help minimize the feelings of panic when working in an outdoor environment that becomes the scene of an active shooter.
Remember that stress and anxiety are normal feelings and that you're not alone.
If you have problems with your current employee safety training program, need help with a specific video training, or would just like to know if your company is up to date on OSHA compliance, click on the link provided for your free safety consultation.